Welcome back to another session at theCut U. It's Obi, and today it's all about money. COVID was an unexpected shock that killed revenue and income overnight for countless service-based businesses, barbers among those. Not being able to get the much-needed aid from the government made things even worse. The pandemic really showed us what happens when what's reported to the IRS doesn't match your current lifestyle, and you're not able to get the assistance that you require, whether it's a PPP loan or just general basic income assistance. Thankfully, many barbers were able to get back to business relatively soon. With the help of the right tools, cough, cough, theCut. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated digital payment adoption in both physical stores and online stores alike. This trend was seen across all demographics. Cash was even considered unsafe during the height of the pandemic, to the point that people were no longer accepting it. More and more, as digital payments are being adopted and accepted by retailers and service providers alike, cash is becoming less popular. In 2021, 80% of people across the United States were using digital payments. A US bank report on people carrying cash found that nearly half of the people surveyed had less than $20 on them. That's only a dub. Barbers. Cash is no longer king. And here's the harsh reality. Being a cash-based barber can negatively impact your personal life and your business. Think about what that means when you try to increase your prices and still be accessible to your customers. When you want to start increasing prices, fewer clients will have cash to pay for them. When you aren't making it convenient for your clients to pay you, your clients will find another barber who does. So what's the solution? Payment processing on theCut allows you to accept payments from within the app. It's a more convenient and reliable solution and experience for your customers. A more modern way to run your business. Barbers on theCut who process payments earn on average 28% more than those who don't. And 1 out of 3 barbers processing payments earn tips above $6 every single cut. You can set up instant deposits and get your money immediately as well. Or you can just wait a couple days, up to you. We also give you the ability to protect your schedule and your time by setting up a cancellation or no-show policy. Whether a client shows up, you're still gonna get paid. And you can centralize all these payments in one place. Stop switching between app to app, calculating how much money you made on this day or that. With payment processing on theCut, all your transactions are in one place. We'll add everything up for you and you'll be able to view how much money you're making, give you some analytics. Then when it comes tax time, we'll provide you with the necessary documents you'll need to file. All that to say, enable payment processing today and start accepting payments like a pro. And with Tap to Pay on iPhone, clients can tap their phone or their card on your phone to pay for their next cut. No need for any additional card reader or dongle.
Thank you for watching theCut U. Hit the link below to download theCut today and start your 15-day free trial. Join the other 10,000 barbers who are actively getting discovered by new clients and managing their schedules and transactions. Please hit that subscribe bell, like the video, and share with someone you think will benefit from what we've shared with you today.